Here we go.
City has a flash flood warning for the source, radar. Impact.
There we go.
Life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Dollar Ridge burn and scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include the Strawberry River reach between Strawberry Reservoir and Starvation Reservoir, including the Promised Land Resort. A debris flow is expected to impact the Strawberry River corridor from Strawberry Reservoir to Starvation Reservoir. People living in this area should take action to ensure their safety. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Wasatch, Utah,